Hello students, Sairam. Welcome to our online session. So let's start with English subject. Okay. So today I am going to take revision of I Wish poem. First we are going to recite this poem. Title of the poem is I Wish. I wish I was an elephant, 'cause it would make me laugh to use my nose like a garden hose to rinse myself in the bath. That means the speaker is saying the speaker become an elephant, so it makes him laugh and to use my nose like elephant nose trunk is used as like a garden hose to rinse myself in the bath, to take a bath. Okay. Now next stanza is I wish I was a dolphin. A dolphin would be my wish. Leaping and splashing, I would be very dashing and swim along with the fish. The speaker wished. Now here the speaker wished to become a dolphin. Dolphin would be his wish. Dolphin would be its wish, and leaping and splashing. Leaping means taking a high jump in the sea, and splashing, it spreads all water all over. It looks so beautiful. So I would be very dashing. Dashing means beautiful. And swim along with the fish. Okay. Next stanza. I wish I was an ostrich. An ostrich would be grand. But if I got scared, would I be prepared to bury my head in the sand? Yes, is it possible? No, see, it's so scary. So the speaker is saying a speaker would become an ostrich. So it will look so impressive, very grand. But it gets scared. So it's prepared to bury its head in the sand. Is it prepared? No, it's so scary. So that's why in the last stanza, I wish I had more wishes, but now my game is through. I am happy to be quite simply me, enjoying a day at the zoo. Okay, so here the poet said it's over, now it's finished. I'm happy how I am as a human being, and I'm enjoying the day at the zoo. Okay. So I hope you understood this poem. Now this poem's textual question answer we are going to do. Students, be ready with your textbook. Okay, new voice textbook. We are going to do textual question answers. So all of you open page number 30. I hope you all are ready with your page number 30. So here I am going to read this question. Here choose the A question. Choose the correct answer. If the speaker were an elephant, she would use her nose like a garden hose. Garden hose means, you all of you know meaning. Garden hose means, yes, take like in a garden you have seen a long pipe is there, is putting water all over the plants. Yes. So garden hose is the speaker were an elephant, she would use her nose like a garden hose. So let's put tick over here. Yes, tick over here in this box. If box is given, you can put tick, and you have to write here answer. GARDEN, garden hose, HOSE. Okay students, now let's go to the second question. The speaker would like to dash if she were a dolphin. So what will be your answer? Options are swim with fish, sing song, play with a ball. So remember your correct answer. Here is your correct answer. Swim with fish. Okay, now here boxes are not there. So I am going to put here tick. Now write your answer. SWIM, swim with fish. F-I-S-H. Okay, students, you have to write with your pencil nicely in that blank line as it is mentioned over here. Nicely you can do it in your textbook. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Third one. Speaker says that when an ostrich gets scared, it buries its dash in the sand. What does it buries? Yes, think. Options are egg, nest, head. So here you have to put tick, box is given. So here you have to write head, H-E-A-D, head. Okay, students. If you want to see the answer, you can pause your video and then you can write the answer. Okay. Now let's go to the fourth one. Ready, all of you? Where is the speaker? Options are at the zoo, at home, at school. So where is the speaker? Here box is given at the zoo. Here you can write A-T at the T-H-E the zoo, Z-O-O. Okay, students, at the zoo. I hope all of you understood. Now let's go to the next page. Here is your next page. Match these animals with their body parts. Match this animal with their body parts. So ready, all of you? So first your left hand side is given animals and right hand side is given body part. Here first one is lion. I am going to take black color first. Lion. So body part lion, trunk, pouch. Man, yes, man. Okay. Next is crow. Crow, I am taking yellow color. Crow. Crow, now trunk, pouch, man, wings. Yes, crow flies, so wings. Rhinoceros. I hope you all are doing this. Page number 31. Rhinoceros. Next is trunk, pouch, no, fins, horn. Here is your horn. I am taking yellow color. Horn. Okay. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Trunk. No, kangaroo don't have trunk. So pouch. Yes, you can see a brown. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm taking another. Oh, sorry. All went off. 1 minute. Again, I will do. Don't worry. Okay, students. Here, lion, man. Crow. I'm taking another color. Red color. Crow is wings. Another color. But you have to do with your pencil. Okay. Rhinoceros is horn. Kangaroo. I'm taking another color. Green color. Pouch. Okay, but students, you have to do with your pencil. Here for you should not get confused. That's why I am using these different colors. Elephant, blue color I am taking. Oh, elephant. Yes, elephant. Elephant is having trunk. Exactly. Now purple color I am using. Fish. Fish has what left here? Fins. Exactly. Correct. We are going. Fins. Okay, students. If you want to see the answer, pause the video and you can see the answer. Now, let's go to the next question. Next question is, underline the common letters in these pairs of words. Practice saying them aloud. Okay, students, you have to repeat after me. You have to use your pencil. Okay, first one is rest, best. First one is rest, best. R-E-S-T, rest, best. B-E-S-T. Here common letters are E-S-T and here also E-S-T you have to underline. Okay. Next is wish, fish. W-I-S-H, wish, and fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Here I-S-H is a common letter. Here I-S-H common letter. Underline. Grand, sand. G-R-A-N, grand, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. So common letters A and D, and here also A and D. Next is zoo, ZOO, zoo. 2, TWO. So here common letter, only one letter, that is O. Underline O. Okay students, you have to say loud and do practice at home. Even you can you can bring it more new words. Okay. Now let's go to the next page. Here, say these words, that is page number 32. Say these words aloud. Notice the sound at the end. Here they have given one help box. Okay, from the help box you have to find out which are the sounds and sound at the end. Okay, loudly you have to say. Like first question is, which words end in the sound you hear in the word itch? ITCH, itch. So this means I am going to put circle for this first question. First question I am going to put circle. Red color I am using. Itch, ITCH. Here options. Much, it is coming. CH, yes. So I am going to put circle. Wish, I don't think is coming. Itch, we want. Both, no. Rich, itch, yes. RICH, itch, rich. Wash, ish is coming, no. Switch, exactly, switch. Push is coming, no. With, no. So these three words are the sound. See which word and the sound you hear in the word itch. Okay. Now second question. Which words end in the sound you hear in the word fish? FISH, fish, ish. So here I am going to use square. I am going to make a shape square. Wish, yes, it's coming. I am made square. Okay. Wash, wash. Push, ish coming. Correct. Push. Okay students, this way you can do different types of design and you have to find out the words. Okay, I hope you understood which words and the sound you hear. So you have to say aloud. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Here is your next question, same page. Pick words from the poem that rhyme with these words. Pick words from the poem that rhyme with these words. Shoe, shoe. Just think. Through, zoo. Through, THROUGH. You have to write inside this line. Mine is coming outside because I am not writing on the book. And here zoo, ZOO, zoo. Okay students, understood all of you? Pick out the words from the poem that rhyme with these words. That is shoe, through and zoo. Okay students. Now next one, dish. Next one, dish. Dish. Here you have to, I am taking another color. Just think rhyming words. Dish. Wish. Exactly. Wish. Correct. Wish. What will be the spelling? WISH. Wish. And fish. 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 Okay. So first one was shoe. Through. Throughh. Thro. This is O, students. O-U-G-H. Through, comma, zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Okay. And here next one, dish. Wish, comma, fish. Okay, students. Now let's go to the next question. Here, brand. Brand. What will come? Brand. Just think. Grand. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. And comma, sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. Okay. Here, rose. What will be the rhyming word? Hose. H-O-S-E. Hose, comma, nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay, students? Understood? Band. Band. G-R-A-N-D. Grand, comma, sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. And rose. Hose. H-O-S-E. Hose. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay, students? I hope you all of you understood. Yes? Now here, this is your English notebook CW number 1. Okay? Here dictation words. Lesson number 2. The Little Red Hen. Dictation words. You have to learn and write 3 times in your book. Okay? So lesson number, there's a dictation words. Students, just listen properly. Lesson number 2, Little Red Hen. Dictation words. First word is worked. W-O-R-K-E-D. Worked. Second one, planted. P-L-A-N-T-E-D. Planted. Third one, changed. C-H-A-N-G-E-D. Changed. Okay, students? Fourth one, ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Next one, fifth one, helped. H-E-L-P-E-D. Helped. Sixth one, dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. Seventh one, growing. G-R-O-W-I-N-G. Growing. Eighth one, sprouts. S-P-R-O-U-T-S. Sprouts. I hope you all of you know sprouts means. Yes, it's a good protein. It's very healthy. Yes, pulses. Remember, sprouts. Now next is ninth one, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. 10th one, tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. 11th one, looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Students, you have to learn and write and do practice. Okay, at home. 12th one, happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. 13th one, going. G-O-I-N-G. Going. 14th one, picked. P-I-C-K-E-D. Picked. Here 15th one is walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking. Talking. T-A-L-K-I-N-G. Talking. Found. F-O-U-N-D. Found. 18th one, slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y. Slowly. 19th one, ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. So 20 word is morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. MING, morning. Okay, students. So there will be dictation test on 4th August 2020. Thank you. Have a nice day.